Did you know that you can make chocolate cake with only 3 ingredients and no flour? Here's how. First, prepare an 8-inch springform pan by generously greasing the bottom and sides with butter. Next, line the bottom of the pan with a circle of parchment paper. It should stay in place thanks to the layer of butter underneath. Finally, wrap the pan in aluminum foil, making sure the foil goes at least halfway up the sides of the pan. Add 2 sticks of unsalted butter cut into small pieces to a large microwave-safe bowl. Next, add 1 pound of semi-sweet chocolate chips or finely chopped chocolate to the bowl. You now need to melt the butter and chocolate either in a double boiler on the stove or in the microwave like we did. Microwave in 30-second intervals, making sure to stir in between until the chocolate and butter are completely melted and smooth. Set the chocolate mixture aside and add 8 large eggs to a mixing bowl. Use an electric mixer to beat the eggs on high until they have doubled in size. This will take about 5 minutes of constant beating. Since there's no flour in this recipe, we're relying on the whipped eggs to provide all the structure of the cake, and lots of air in the eggs is vital for that. Once the eggs are very frothy, pour about 1/3 of them into the chocolate mixture and use a rubber spatula to gently fold the batter together. Continue adding the eggs gradually until they are fully incorporated. Pour the batter into your prepared springform pan, then gently shake to even it out. Place the pan into a larger baking dish, then carefully pour boiling water into the larger pan. The water should come to about halfway up the sides of the springform pan. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 22 to 25 minutes. Remove the cake and allow it to cool completely before removing from the springform pan and flipping upside down on a plate to serve. The cake is now ready to eat, so the next part is completely optional. But if you'd like to take it up a notch, dust the top with powdered sugar and add your favorite fresh berries as a garnish. We'd love to know if you try this at home, and subscribe to Dished for more easy dessert recipes.